So on our website, majesticaquariums.com.au, we now have Royal Nature products available. So I've just gone into the search bar and I searched Royal Nature. So there are KH, we've got buffers, magnesium, salts, nitrate removers. All looks very reasonably priced. Test kits, calcium, phosphate remover, supplement powders like calcium, magnesium, KH, test kits, trace elements, so anyway, when you get a chance, jump on Majestic Aquariums online and check out the Royal Nature products available in Australia for the first time. Good quality Israeli brand.